Happy 47th birthday to our beloved President Nelson Chamisa. Talapita mashoko atona vanhu vachimuka muzora nhasi aiva vachizivisa kuti ndo zuva rakaberekwa president vevanhu vadoko Nelson Chamisa. Vanhu vofara lokuti bosubscribe or like on the bell like tipina mawishes anonyogwa navanhu panapa Change Radio mudanyora chiti today February 2 2025 marks a special day in the lives of Zimbabweans as we celebrate the 47th birthday of our beloved president Nelson Chamisa, born on February 2, 1978 in the Masvingo province, Sigutu district. President Chamisa has grown to become a beacon of hope and leadership of our own nation. As we mark this WhatsApp channel milestone birthday, we reflect on President Chamisa's remarkable journey from his humble beginnings to his rise as a champion of democracy and freedom. His dedication to the people of Zimbabwe and his unwavering commitment to creating a better future for all have earned him the respect and admiration of the nation. On this special day, we wish President Nelson Chamisa a happy 47th birthday filled with love, laughter and joy. May this new year of life bring him continued strength, wisdom and courage as he leads our nation towards a brighter future. As we celebrate President Chamisa's birthday, we are reminded of the power of leadership and the impact of one person can have on the lives of others. We are grateful for his selfless service and his tireless efforts to build a better Zimbabwe for all. Here's to many more years of life, leadership and service to our nation. Mr. President, happy 47th birthday. Ambanyo wachiti by Innocent moyo ndizvo nira tomashoko aiwa nemawishes anobva kuvakomana panapa vekuChange Radio amukona vari kuwisha advocate Nelson Chamisa aiwa ma-birthday wishes vachimuona aiwa as a beacon of hope wema-citizens emunyika yeZimbabwe. Vanhu vanoziva kuti aiwa ndiye munhu chete asara, vanhu vane hope naye chete uyu ndiye chete achafulfilla kana achaunza freedom munyika. Todze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu, so subscribe or like, or on the bell icon.